Good morning, guys. I have a big word for you that I want you to learn today. It's called metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? Well, let's read this book and let's see if we can figure out what metamorphosis means. This is called From Caterpillar to Butterfly, and it's by Laura Marsh. Riddle. What starts as an egg and then walks on many legs and then uses wings to fly? What do you think that is? A butterfly. Very good. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives, and some have bright colors. Some have bold patterns too. 4 stages. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They go through a change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life. First, they are an egg. Then they're a caterpillar. Then they make a chrysalis. And then out of the chrysalis they come and they become a butterfly. That is what metamorphosis means. Metamorphosis means a change from one thing to another. It's a transformation. Stage 1, which is the egg. A mommy butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or a branch. Look at these teeny tiny eggs. You see those? Each egg is close to food, caterpillar food, that is. This is a Malayan egg fly butterfly. Butterfly eggs come in all different shapes. So these are some different kinds of butterfly eggs. You see those? Stage 2, caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg and it crawls out. The caterpillar is very, very hungry. The caterpillar eats its shell, then it eats the leaf that it's on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf and then eats that too. It sounds very hungry. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. But the new skin fits for a while, and then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 or 5 times. Here's the old skin. And he came out with some new skin. Stage 3, the chrysalis. By now, the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. Here he is, hanging upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside, the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. That's about 2 weeks. There he is. There's the final chrysalis right here. And it hardens. Stage 4, the butterfly. The chrysalis moves. Then it splits open. The butterfly wiggles his way out. His wings are wet and crumbled. Look at those wings. They're all wet and crumbled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings and they get bigger and they harden. And the wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. Slurp, slurp, slurp. And if you look right here, this little black thing, you can see he's got lots of legs. He's got 6 legs. But this piece right here is the part that goes down into the flower, and so he can drink the nectar from the flower. A nectar is a sugary liquid that you can find in all different kinds of flowers. And then here are many other butterflies. The world's smallest butterfly is the blue pygmy. It's the length of a pushpin from wing to wing. What's that one? Butterfly wings are covered with tiny, tiny scales. Butterflies are found all over the world except in Antarctica and the driest deserts. Number 4, there are about 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. Number 5, butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there. Do you guys taste with your feet? Miss Elisha doesn't. Number 6, the world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra birdwing. It's as long as a ruler from wing to wing. Think about the ruler we have in our math center. It's about 12 inches long, which this book is probably about 12 inches long. So that butterfly is probably about as wide, though if he spreads his wings out, he's as wide as this book. It says, back off. Caterpillars and butterflies are a tasty snack for predators, but they have tricks to keep predators away. Predators are other animals that want to eat them. Some hide using camouflage. Look, you can barely see that butterfly. He's hiding on the moss of this tree. Tyler, shh. Some can be deadly to eat. This caterpillar is poisonous. And some look like other things. Look at this caterpillar. He kind of looks like a snake, doesn't he? Probably wouldn't want to eat a snake. Camouflage, an animal's natural color or shape that helps it hide from its enemy. And it says a predator is an animal that eats other animals. A moth or a butterfly. We see both. This is a butterfly and this is a moth. But what's the difference? Moths and butterflies look alike, but here's how you can tell them apart. Butterfly bodies are very slender. Butterflies are brightly colored and they fly mostly during the day. They also have antennae that are thin and have little knobs at the end. The moth is usually brown or tan or white, and they fly mostly at nighttime. And their bodies are fat and furry. Look at their body. See, butterfly has a skinny body, and the moth has a fat and furry body. The antennae are slim and to a point, and they look like feathers. So look at those. Look at the antenna of this moth. They kind of look like feathers. Can you guys see that? Okay, so that's the difference. You can bring butterflies to your backyard. Make a butterfly garden, but first ask an adult for help. Here's what you'll need. Plants that are local to your area, plants that bloom at different times, orange, purple, yellow, pink, and red flowers, flowers that are clustered together, flat top flowers, a sunny spot for butterflies to rest, like maybe a flat stone, a wet or watery spot for butterflies to drink, and absolutely no chemicals which can kill the butterflies or caterpillars. And this is a swallowtail butterfly. What in the world? These pictures are close-up views of butterfly things. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the picture. Number 1, what's this? What do you guys think this is? Do you think it's an egg? I think you would be right. Number 2, what do you think this is? Is this a chrysalis? Very good. Number 3, what is this big fat thing he's eaten? He is a caterpillar. Very good. Number 4, what is this? It's a butterfly wing. Very good. Number 5, it uses this to hide from its predators. So this butterfly is matching into this flower. What's it called when the wings or part of an animal matches into something else? It's a really big word. Maybe camouflage? I think you would be right. Number 6, you won't find these on your head. What are those? Very good. They're butterfly antenna. All right, the end. Great job.